Acts chapter 16. Paul come still go Derbe and Lystra. One disciple wey dem dey call Timothy dey there. Im mama na Jew wey believe Christ, but im papa na Greek. The brothers wey dey Lystra and Iconium dey talk good about am. Paul want make Timothy follow am, so he come excuse am because the Jew people wey dey for the area know say im papa na Greek. As dem dey go from town to town, they come dey pass the message wey the apostles and elders for Jerusalem send to all the Gentile people wey believe Christ say make them obey. So the people for the church dey strong more for faith and they come dey plenty every day. Dem pass through Phrygia and Galatia area because the Holy Spirit want them say make them not preach the message for Asia. When dem reach Mysia, they come try to enter inside Bithynia, but Jesus Christ Spirit no allow them enter. Na im dey pass through Mysia, come face through us. Paul see this vision for night. One man wey come from Macedonia stand dey beg am say,
make you come help us from Macedonia.
When Paul see this vision finish, we come try to go Macedonia. We come believe say God don call us make we go preach the good news to the people wey dey there. We travel for water from Troas and our ship come from there go Samothrace, and the next day we go Neapolis, and from there to Philippia wey be number 1 town for Macedonia, where Rome dey rule. We stay for this town for some days. When Sabbath day reach, we comot from the town go the waterside, where we think say we go see where dem for dey pray. Now we sit down come start to dey talk to the women wey gather for there. E get one woman wey dey listen to us. Im name na Lydia and e come from Thyatira. E dey fear God well and dey sell purple cloth. God open im heart to believe everything wey Paul talk. After him and the family don baptize, he come beg us say,
if una don accept me as person wey believe Christ, make una come stay for my house.
So he beg us until we gree. One day as we dey go the place wey dem for dey pray, one slave girl wey get spirit wey dey make am see vision come see us. The girl oga dey use am make plenty money anytime he tell people wetin go happen. The girl come dey follow me and Paul for back come dey shout say,
these people na God servants o. Dem dey preach to una about how una go take dey safe.
He continued to dey shout like this for many days. So the thing vex Paul well. Na him he turn face the girl come tell the spirit,
I command you with Jesus Christ's name, come out for this girl body.
At once, the spirit come out from the girl body. But when the people wey get the girl see say wetin dem take dey make money don go, then seize Paul and Silas come drag dem go meet the town oga dem for the market center. Then dem drag dem go meet the judge dem come say,
all these men dey cause wahala for this town. Dem be Jew and dem dey teach law wey no be our own, since we be Rome people.
All the people wey gather for there come join put mouth against them, and the judge dem come give order say make dem remove Paul and Silas cloth comot for their body and flog them with heavy stick. After dem don flog them well, dem put them for prison come tell the warder make he guide them well. Because of the strong order, the warder put them for inside the prison, come hook their leg with big chains. When midnight reach, Paul and Silas come dey pray and sing song give God, and all the people wey dey the prison dey listen to them. At once, the ground start to shake, sotey all the wall and pillars wey dey the prison come dey shake too. Na once the door open and the chains wey dem take hook the people wey dey the prison come loose. When the warder wake up come see say all the doors for the prison open, he bring him sword come out, one come kill himself because he think say all the prisoners don run. But Paul come shout,
Make you not kill yourself. All of us still there for here.
Na him the warder say make dem bring light, and he rush enter inside the prison, come fall for Paul and Silas front dey shake. He bring dem come outside come ask,
my oga dem, wetin I go do to dey safe?
Dem answer am,
believe Jesus Christ and you go dey safe, both you and all your family.
Then dem preach God word give him and all the people wey dey in house. That night, the warder come wash all their sore. Then him and him family come baptize. The warder bring them enter him house, come put food for table make them chop. He happy well say he and him family don believe God. When day break, the judge dem come send policemen say make una go release those men. The warder come tell Paul.
The judge dem don give order say make we free una, so make una come dey go.
But Paul tell the policemen,
Dem say make dem beat us for public even when dem never judge our case. Even though say we be Rome people, dem still throw us for prison. Now, dem wan free us for back when people not for know. We no agree. Make dem come here by themselves come release us.
the policemen come report wetin Paul talk give the judge dem. Fear catch dem when dem hear say Paul and Silas na Rome people. So dem come beg dem say make dem no vex. After dem bring dem come out, dem come beg dem well well say make dem leave the town. When dem don comot for prison, dem enter Lydia house, and when dem see the brothers, dem encourage dem before dem leave the town.